Welcome back to the video, and I'll be showing you how to create objects in JavaScript. There are two main methods that you can use, and I'll be throwing in a third method, but it's basically an inheritance of the second method. So let's jump into the video. Okay, welcome back, and let's start coding. The first method is to create a variable let human equal to new object. This is a constructor method, new object. Okay, now we've already created an object. If we want to assign properties to that human, we're just going to say human dot name is equal to, let's say, Jack. Okay, and then you put the next property. Let's assign an age to him. Human.age is equal to 25. Now, if we can console.log this, we can find out, or we can see the properties of our human. So console.log, okay, human. And when you look over there, we can see his name and his age. We've just created a new object, and he has no properties, but he has methods, but we did not assign any methods to him yet. Okay, we'll not be assigning methods in this video. Check out the next video if you want to see how we assign methods but using classes. Okay, so this is the first method to create a class or an object. Now the second method I want to show you is I creating an array, let's say human2, but instead of using square brackets, you use curly brackets. So this is an object. So now over here you can say name dot or name colon, and then you give it a name, let's say James. Okay, comma, and then you give him an age. The age can be 34 or 43 years old. So now when I console.log human2, it basically created a new object of human2. Okay, console.log, there he is, James, he's 43 years old. So this is the two methods of creating an object in JavaScript. Now for the bonus round, I want to show you the third method of creating an object but using a function. Okay, so here we're going to put function, and then we're going to create a class. It's basically a class. So I'm going to say humans. Okay, it's going to take two parameters, name, two arguments, name and age. Then from that we're going to create a new class or a new object. So we're going to say humans.name is equal to, you don't even need colons here, you don't need inverted commas, just say name. Okay, this dot age is equal to the age. So basically what's this doing, it's going to take these arguments and it's going to replace them in here. So the new human that we create, we're going to say human.name is equal to the name that we pass in, and human.age is equal to the age that we pass in. Now let's create a method in here. Okay, let's create a method in here just to have access to it. For example, let's create that method is equal to, no, this dot greet. Let's say we want this humans to greet us, but we're going to use a function for that. Okay, it's not going to take in any arguments because it already has the arguments. Okay, now in the body of this function we can assign the method. So for example, let's just say this guy wants to say hello, so we're going to say console.log this.name. Okay, what is he saying? He's saying hello. It says hello. Now we've created a constructor, and now we have to create the object using this constructor. So we're just going to say var John, or let's say var human 3 is equal to new humans. Okay, it's a humans, and his name is Alex, and Alex is 20 years old, for example. we've just created a new human. Okay, we won't be able to see the changes now. Let's create the second human, or the second human using this, and just say humans 4. Okay, humans 4 is equal to new humans, and we're gonna call him Jerry. And how old is Jerry? Let's say Jerry's 45 years old. Okay, now if we console.log these two things out, console.log, okay, we're gonna console.log human 3 first. Humans is not defined. Oh, that's what okay, there we are. Console.log. We have the humans 3, which his name is Alex, and he has a function of greet. His age is 20. Now, let's say Alex wants to greet. So we're just gonna say Alex or human 3 dot greet. Okay, that's a function. Alex says hello. So I'm going to be showing you more on methods in the next video. Make sure to check it out on classes. It's already dropped. It's going to be in the link below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.